Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, here you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click on clear cache. So in the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.